Hello, welcome to our next segment of O3 Omega Smoothies. So today we're going to try O3 Omega breakfast flavor in skyr yogurt and O3 Omega breakfast with bacon in a cream cheese Neuf chalet cheese, which is 1/3 less fat. So as we purported before, O3 Omega Smoothies contain 400 milligrams of DHA per 1 tablespoon. There's 30 servings in one bottle. Also, just to add extra fat, good fats to the product, we added 3,000 milligrams of MCT, C8, C10 from coconuts. So you get 400 milligrams of DHA per 1 tablespoon, 3,000 milligrams of MCT. You look at other products out there, they contain 1,000 or less than 1,000. This is 3,000 milligrams. Now, what's unique about O3 Omega Smoothies is the flavor. It's great flavor, it's sugar-free, it's healthy fats, it's not butter. You don't want to put butter in coffee and products. That's disgusting, and just quite frankly, it's kind of stupid. So this is DHA fat, it's MCT fat. That's the only fat in this product that's healthy. And we take this. So right now I'm going to start off with O3 Omega breakfast flavor, which is kind of like a mapley. It starts off, it's a tiered flavor system we developed. So you get maple flavor, you get pancakes, butter flavor, you get hash browns. It's basically breakfast. So you add it to the skyr. Just simply take a spoon, mix it in. It's delicious. So I used the skyr form that's plain. Again, it's made by Siggy's. And the plain, so it only contains 4 grams of sugar, 16 grams of protein. And this product is 0% milk fat. So what I did was I bought the version which has no fat in it, but yet I added fat. I added DHA fat, MCT fat. So 0% milk fat, 0% saturated fats replaced with PUFAs, which are polyunsaturated fatty acids. DHA, good for the brain, good for the heart, good for cognitive repair. It's good for child brain development. So next I have here Neufchâtel. Neufchâtel is kind of like cream cheese. It's like regular cream cheese, but it's 1/3 less fat. So again, just like I did with the Siggy's skyr Icelandic yogurt, where we added the DHA MCT in place of the fat, we're going to do the same thing. This is 1/3 less fat. So we're going to take this and spread it onto our gluten-free toast. I like to use the breakfast with bacon. I mean, there's nothing better than bacon, smoky bacon flavor added to cream cheese. Now this has no real bacon in it. It's a vegan algyl DHA. And you just simply put it on your toast. Try it. So great flavor. Again, smoky bacon. You get maple flavor in the beginning, mixed in with the cream cheese, and then the smoky bacon flavor to finish. So no fat, although we added fat, but we added healthy DHA MCT fat. For more information, go visit o3omegasmoothies.com, o3omega.com, o3smoothies.com. Visit, try it out. We're available on Amazon, retail stores. We're in Co-op in North America and Europe. So check us out.